It was 2004, Black Friday. Cold morning, 5 a.m. Still, lines around the block. Then the doors opened. It was like a tsunami had hit. Total chaos. Some toys were lucky. They found a new home instantly. But there was one toy that everyone wanted. Sergeant Universe. I wasn't him. I was in the back of the store. Barely anyone came here. Suddenly, out of nowhere, I've found my best friend in the world. I thought, my mission with him begins. We're a team now. We're gonna do everything together. I'll never leave his side. I'll keep him safe no matter what. He dropped me. I lay there for hours, slowly hearing the footsteps starting to fade. The store went quiet, and I felt alone again. Then, Jamie picked me up from the dirty floor. He didn't want a brand new Defender from the shelf. He wanted a soldier who's been through the mud. He wanted me. The next 4 years were the best years of my life. I defended him from the vicious alien attacks from the Zergonia galaxy. I stood guard against nightmares and ghosts. And I faced down the beast. We took some injuries, but all made it out okay. Now things are different. Jamie has grown. He doesn't need me to be his defender anymore. And as hard as it is, it's okay. That's how it's supposed to be. I'm choosing to hold on to the good times. Especially moments like the one in the store. That moment when purpose just finds you. And I know that if I just keep my head up, I'll find myself soon enough in another moment like that. Goodbyes can feel like being dropped again. But you never know who's walking your aisle.